Hello and welcome to our channel Money Strategies. Today we'll be diving deep into the fascinating world of Ethereum, covering its history, technology, use cases, advantages, challenges, and future developments. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content. And stay tuned as we unveil our next topic, Polkadot, DOT, History of Ethereum. Let's kick things off by rewinding to 2015 when Ethereum was brought to life by the visionary Vitalik Buterin. An essential milestone in Ethereum's journey was its initial coin offering, ICO, a groundbreaking fundraising method that fueled the platform's development. Ethereum was conceived with a mission to provide a decentralized platform for smart contracts and decentralized applications, dApps, revolutionizing how agreements are made and executed. Ethereum blockchain technology. Now let's delve into the technical prowess of Ethereum. The backbone of Ethereum is its blockchain technology, leveraging a decentralized network of nodes and transitioning from proof of work to proof of stake for consensus. Smart contracts take center stage, automating and enforcing agreements without the need for intermediaries. This shift in consensus mechanisms signifies Ethereum's commitment to scalability and sustainability. Ethereum use cases. Moving on to the real-world impact, Ethereum has become a hub for decentralized finance, DeFi, non-fungible tokens, NFTs, and supply chain management. We'll explore successful projects that have flourished on the Ethereum blockchain, showcasing its versatility and adaptability to a myriad of applications. Advantages of Ethereum. Let's discuss the advantages that make Ethereum stand out. Its flexibility, programmability, and wide-ranging application support are key strengths. The large and vibrant developer community, coupled with the multitude of projects on the platform, exemplifies Ethereum's robust ecosystem. Challenges and concerns. No journey is without its hurdles. Ethereum faces challenges like scalability issues and high gas fees. However, hope is on the horizon with the impending Ethereum 2.0 upgrade, poised to address these concerns. We'll delve into the potential solutions that this major upgrade brings to the table. How does Ethereum function? Vitalik Buterin, credited with imagining Ethereum, distributed a white paper to present it in 2014. The Ethereum stage was sent off in 2015 by Buterin and Joe Lubin, organizer behind the blockchain programming organization Consensus. The organizers behind Ethereum were among quick to consider the maximum capacity of blockchain innovation past empowering the safe virtual installment strategy. Since the send-off of Ethereum, Ether as a cryptographic money has ascended to turn into the second biggest digital currency by market esteem. It is outclassed exclusively by Bitcoin. Blockchain innovation. Ethereum and other Ethereum-based items, as other cryptographic forms of money, include blockchain innovation. Envision an extremely lengthy chain of blocks. The data contained in each block is all additional to each recently made block with new information. All through the organization, an indistinguishable duplicate of the blockchain is circulated. This blockchain is approved by an organization of mechanized programs that arrive at an agreement on the legitimacy of exchange data. No progressions can be made to the blockchain, except if the organization arrives at an agreement. This makes it exceptionally secure. Agreement is arrived at utilizing a calculation regularly called an agreement component. Ethereum utilizes the proof-of-stake calculation, where an organization of members called validators makes new blocks and cooperates to confirm the data they contain. The blocks contain data about the condition of the blockchain, a rundown of confirmations, a validator's mark and decision on the legitimacy of the block, exchanges, and substantially more. In mid-September 2022, Ethereum formally exchanged over to a proof-of-stake calculation, which is less expensive and more harmless to the ecosystem than a proof-of-work model. Verification of stake component. Verification of stake varies from confirmation of work in that it doesn't need the energy serious registering alluded to as mining to approve blocks. It utilizes a conclusion convention called Casper FFG and the calculation LMD Phantom, consolidated into an agreement system called Gasper, which screens agreement and characterizes how validators get prizes for work or are rebuffed for contemptibility. Solo validators should stake 32 ETH to actuate their approval capacity. People can stake more modest measures of ETH. However, they are expected to join an approval pool and offer any prizes. A validator makes another block and confirms that the data is legitimate in a cycle called verification, where the block is communicated to other validators called a board, who check it and decision in favor of its legitimacy. Validators who act deceptively are rebuffed under verification of stake. Validators who endeavor to go after the organization are recognized by Gasper, which distinguishes the blocks to acknowledge and dismiss in light of the votes of the validators. Deceptive validators are rebuffed by having their marked ETH consumed and being taken out from the organization. Consuming alludes to sending crypto to a wallet that has no keys, which removes them from dissemination. Wallets. Ethereum proprietors use wallets to store their Ether. A wallet is a computerized interface that allows you to get to your Ether put away on the blockchain. Your wallet has a location, which is like an email address, in that it is where clients send Ether, similar as they would an email. Ether isn't really put away in your wallet. Your wallet holds private keys you use as you would a secret key when you start an exchange. You get a confidential key for every Ether you own. This key is fundamental for getting to your Ether. That is the reason you hear such a great amount about getting keys utilizing different capacity techniques. Memorable split. One prominent occasion in Ethereum's set of experiences is the hard fork or split of Ethereum and Ethereum Exemplary. In 2016, a gathering of organization members dealt with the Ethereum blockchain to take more than $50 million worth of Ether, which had been raised for a task called the DAO. The strike's prosperity was credited to the inclusion of an outsider designer for the new undertaking. The vast majority of the Ethereum people group picked to switch the burglary by discrediting the current Ethereum blockchain and endorsing a blockchain with a re-examined history. Notwithstanding, a small part of the local area decided to keep up with the first form of the Ethereum blockchain. That unaltered rendition of Ethereum for all time split to turn into the cryptographic money Ethereum Exemplary, and so on. Ethereum versus Bitcoin. Ethereum is frequently contrasted with Bitcoin. While the two cryptographic forms of money have numerous similitudes, there are a few significant qualifications. Ethereum is portrayed by originators and designers as the world's programmable blockchain, situating itself as an electronic, programmable organization with numerous applications. The Bitcoin blockchain, on the other hand, was made exclusively to help the Bitcoin digital currency. The Ethereum stage was established with wide desires to use blockchain innovation for the majority different applications. Bitcoin was planned rigorously as an installment technique. The greatest number of Bitcoins that can enter course is 21 million. How much ETH that can be made is limitless, albeit the time it takes to deal with a block of ETH limits how much Ether can be printed every year. The quantity of Ethereum coins available for use is in excess of 122 million. One more massive distinction among Ethereum and Bitcoin is the way the individual organizations treat exchange handling expenses. These expenses, known as gas on the Ethereum organization, are paid by the members in Ethereum exchanges. The expenses related with Bitcoin exchanges are consumed by the more extensive Bitcoin organization. Ethereum, as of September 2022, utilizes a proof-of-stake agreement instrument. Bitcoin utilizes the Energy Concentrated Evidence of Work agreement, which expects excavators to vie for remunerations. The fate of Ethereum. Ethereum's progress to the verification of stake convention, which empowers clients to approve exchanges and mint new ETH in light of their Ether possessions, is important for a huge move up to the Ethereum stage. Recently called ETH2, this redesign is presently alluded to just as Ethereum. Notwithstanding, Ethereum presently has two layers. The main layer is the execution layer, where exchanges and approvals happen. The subsequent layer is the agreement layer, where authentications and the agreement chain is kept up with. The redesign added ability to the Ethereum organization to help its development, which will ultimately assist with tending to constant organization blockage issues that have driven up gas expenses. To address versatility, Ethereum is proceeding with advancement of sharding. Sharding will separate the Ethereum dataset among its organization. This thought is like distributed computing, where numerous PCs handle the responsibility to decrease computational time. These more modest dataset segments will be called shards, and shards will be dealt with by the individuals who have marked ETH. Shards will permit more validators to work simultaneously, lessening how much time expected to arrive at agreement through an interaction called sharding agreement. Sharding is supposed to be executed at some point in 2023. Filthiosu. Web3 is as yet an idea, yet it is by and large guessed that it will be fueled by Ethereum on the grounds that a significant number of the applications being created use it. Use in gaming. Ethereum is likewise being executed into gaming and augmented reality. Decentraland is a virtual world that utilizes the Ethereum blockchain to get things held inside that world. Land, symbols, wearables, structures, and conditions are all tokenized through the blockchain to make proprietorship. Axie Limitlessness is another game that utilizes blockchain innovation and has its own cryptographic money called Smooth Love Elixir, SLP, utilized for remunerations and exchanges inside the game. Non-fungible tokens. Non-fungible tokens, NFTs, acquired prevalence in 2021. NFTs are tokenized computerized things made utilizing Ethereum. By and large, gives one computerized resource a particular computerized symbolic that recognizes it and stores it on the blockchain. This lays out proprietorship on the grounds that the scrambled information stores the proprietor's wallet address. The NFT can be exchanged or sold and is seen as an exchange on the blockchain. The exchange is confirmed by the organization and proprietorship is moved. NFTs are being created for a wide range of resources. For instance, avid supporters can purchase a games token, likewise called fan tokens, of their number one competitors, which can be dealt with like exchanging cards. A portion of these NFTs are pictures that look like an exchanging card, and some of them are recordings of a significant or memorable second in the competitor's vocation. Thank you for watching. Our next video will be on Polkadot. Stay tuned and do not forget to subscribe.